Let's move to the next section where we're gonna build this footer. So for making the footer, we can just go to these templates, and here we can open the theme builder from here. Okay, we can go to the footer, and in this footer, what we can do, we can just make this. So we can just remove this, and here we can also delete this. So now here you can see that we have this. So we can just make a new container, and here we can write footer. That we can write 1300 advanced. We can add it 60 to the top, 60 to the bottom. Okay, and here we can just add a color, this color. Okay, this color, and now let's publish this once. Okay, and save and close. Okay, now you can see we have to make this first. So for the first one, let's first add a divider. Let's add a divider here, and here we can make this divider to white color. Okay, like this. Now we're gonna add a container. Now let's add a container. You can add a container here. Let's add a container. Okay, so this is the first, and here you can see we have to add a heading. This heading will say follow on social media, like this, and here we can make this to white. Okay, and here we can make this to 23. So here we have the social icon. Here we can have this social icon. Okay, so here we have this social icon. So we can just go to this. We can make this. Here we can have this to like this. Okay, and here also I think we have some padding and all. I don't know, we don't have any padding, so that again it is not coming in the center. Okay, so now in the center. Okay, so here we can make this custom color, and this we're gonna make this to black. Okay, we can make this white. Spacing and padding would be like this. Okay, and here we can have the size to this 20. Okay, here we have the spacing to this to this. Okay, now you can see we have this. What we can do, we can just add a new container here. Okay, then again we have to add 4 containers inside this, so we can add one. We can name this inner, duplicate this, okay, and here we can add this. Now you can see we have this image. Now we can have this logo here, and here we have the custom. Here we can have this too. Here we can make this to white color. Okay, we can make this 15. Now you can see we have this, so we can now copy this, and this will have the word company. Okay, and here we can have this list. Okay, we can choose this circle, and here we can have the home, Here we can have the about, services, teams. Okay, so in this way we can put this contact. Okay, so in this way we can put this also. We can make this icon color. Let's put the white. Let's increase the icon size. In the text also we can make this white. Okay, like this. Here we can make this to 40. Okay, now what we can do, we can just delete the rest inners. Now we can duplicate this. Okay, and also you can see we have this footer, and now we can just make this to 40. Okay, now if I go to this, here we can use this to, let's use this 40. Let's use this 40, and for the rest we can use 20. This also we can use this to 20, and this also we can make this to 20, like this also. And here we can use some custom value like this. Okay, and here we can make this to 45. Now you can see we have this. So here you can see now we have to add this. So right now you can see this. So let's put this here. Suppose I want to add a phone number, so we can choose the phone icon here. Okay, so here we can add a random number, like we can add some random numbers like this also. Okay, now we can remove this. Here we can add, suppose here we want to add some Gmail, so we can search for message. Okay, here we can have some envelope like things, so we can use this as a Gmail icon. Here we can add house aspire at the rate contacts daughters. Okay, and for the map option we can also use some map icon like this, and we can put this some random email, random address for now, but you should put your address like this. Okay, and here we can write company. Here we can write this text like contact info. Okay, like this, these things. Also now we can put this some gap, like we can put the gap of 50. Okay, 50, and here we can just make this 90. Okay, and here we can write subscribe newsletter. Okay, like this. Let's put some. Okay, so like this. Also what we can do, let's you can see we have this inner. Let me make this to 30, and for the last one we can increase this to 30. Okay, now we can just make this to full width. Okay, and we can also increase this like this. Also you can, if you want, you can just play with it like this also. So whatever you like, you can decrease the size of this to this. Okay, and here we can remove this, and here we can add a form. Here we can add this medium. Okay, and here we can write this to subscribe. Here we can add this to medium also. We can make this small. Okay, we can make this media, and also we don't want to put the label here. Email address. Okay, we can make this to full width also. Okay, done. Now we can go to this field option. Here you can see here the background color. We don't want any background color. Let's make this blank. And for this, we can make this white. Okay, here we can use the Poppins font. Here also we can make this white. We don't want any border radius. Okay, let's put some border width. We don't want border radius. Okay, and for the button, we can use this color, like we can use this white first. Let's make this white, and we can make this to black. Okay, here we can use the Poppins. Okay, like this. Also, we can just make this button size too small. Okay, like this, but let's prefer medium only. And when for the button hover, we can make this to this color, and this text would be like this. So we can also have this some animation like sync animation. We can use sync animation, so it will go below like this. Okay, this is done. Let's publish. Then after that, let me refresh this here. After refreshing, we will get back to below. So you can see our footer is also live. Okay, so in this way we can make the footer.